Welcome class. This is the video for the EN102 post-COVID changes that we are running into. It is official at this point. We will not be returning this semester in a face-to-face format. So this is our ongoing plan to finish out the semester. Side note, if you had intentions on taking summer courses this year, it appears those are going to be online also. So any of your summer plans, plan on those being online courses as we move forward. Unless plans change, that is the current direction that we are leaning here at the college. Beginning with this class has just a few activities remaining. Everything is currently posted online and has due dates attached to it. Instead of having the red lines returned like we had originally planned, instead I'm going to ask you to simply finish up the activity within your group. If you need assistance contacting group members, get a hold of me and I can share some minor information with you so that you can get a hold of each other. If you need a place to talk to each other, please let me know and I can set up a Microsoft Teams account, which will allow you to share files between each other without having to use email because some of these files are fairly large. On the midterm, once you as a group have completed your midterm activity and you're ready to turn it in thinking you're 100% done, make sure you drop it into the Dropbox located online. It does have one more week that it is listed as being on time, or if you need a little more time, you may do so because you are working at a disadvantage not being able to meet. So I'm not going to enforce that deadline, but note that once that deadline hits, I'm going to start putting zeros in. Still accept it late, however. Moving forward, you don't have any more homeworks. However, you do have your final and your student presentation activity that were already assigned. So we will not have a GD&T homework that has been removed. Also, we will not have group rubrics anymore. So for your class group assignment, the one where you were going over and creating a 2-hour lesson plan, that's not feasible because you're not meeting face-to-face anymore. Because you're not meeting face-to-face, instead of presenting a 2-hour plan, you will simply create a 20-ish minute video. The goal is 15 to 20 minutes, similar to how long these videos that I've been using are. So you'll cover your topic. If you want full credit, you still need to have a student learning activity. Instead of having you just wait in the video while people would do that activity, put a 5-second pause into the video. So simply talk like what I'm doing right now. Say, okay, go complete the activity. And then 5 seconds later, pick right back up. It's pretty straightforward how to do that. It allows people to do your activity, interact as if they were in class. Because it's a presentation and I need to see that all of you participated, you will have to submit that video to me and I will post it. The due dates for that submission are on the presentation. In order to show that you're participating with those activities, you will need to go into the discussion boards that will open up once I receive those videos. And you will have to talk to each other substantively through those discussion boards. Finally, your final, you should already have your final groups and your final project basically ironed out. You do need to make sure if you have not yet got my approval to start on your final that you get it as soon as possible. Your final is due the last day of the class during finals week. Once again, all your due dates are updated online. If you need to talk to me, if you need a lecture or something specific covered in more detail, please get a hold of me and I can set up a Zoom with you one-on-one. However, this class we will not have enough people that can meet simultaneously, it looks like, to hold regular in-class Zooms anymore. So we're not going to do that. GD&T has been updated. Please review it. It does need to be included in your final for credit. So just so you're aware, you'll have to include some GD&T in your final. And we can go over anything you need related to that through Zoom if you're not for sure how to do it. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to get a hold of me. My cell phone is in the syllabus, as is my email. Or if you want to get a hold of me through the Canvas inbox, I will answer that as well. Have a great week. Look forward to seeing you throughout the semester. Welcome to online class.